Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to create TradeLocker demo account. Let's dive in. Start by visiting TradeLocker.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Start Trading button at the top. Here, you'll see two options, broker tradings and prop tradings. To use TradeLocker, you first need to sign up with a broker tradings or a prop tradings that supports it. Click on Broker Trading and then click Find a Broker. You'll see a list of brokers that support TradeLocker. Scroll through the list and choose the one you prefer. Make sure to do your own research before selecting a broker. For this demo, I'll be using Blue Markets since I already have an account there. Click on the broker of your choice, in my case, Blue Markets, and it will redirect you to their official website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged into your broker's dashboard, go to My Accounts on the left-hand menu, and then click on Account Type. Choose Blue Markets TradeLocker Demo as the account type. Select your preferred currency, leverage, and account balance. Click Create Account. It will take a few seconds to process. Once done, you'll see a message saying access details have been sent to your email, and then click OK. Next, go to the trading platform at the top here, and now click on the TradeLocker demo. As you can see here, demo.tradelocker.com. Here, enter your email, password, and server, then click Login. After logging in, your TradeLocker demo account will load, and you'll have full access to the platform. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.